Hey, JB is back. I'm back with you with another unboxing all the way from China. It is a Supernote A6X. So let's get into this bad boy and see what we got. I'm gonna do a formal review of this a little bit later as I get into it a little bit. I got some really big device news coming. I got some news on the paper that's really exciting. I can't wait to share with you. And also the remarkable 2 is shipping. So we got a lot of good stuff coming on. And I got the Mobi Scribe, the cheap little tablet from Amazon, coming tomorrow. We'll be doing an unboxing and review of that. But this one came in from China. Let's take a look at it. It is a Supernote. Okay, it's telling me to tear off here. So we're going to tear off there, or do I want to keep the box? Yeah, we're going to tear it off here. So we're going to tear it off there, and we'll see what we got. Okay, so as we open it up, comes in a box all the way from China. Let's move that over there. Okay, and let's see. It says it is the Lamy. Oh, this is the Lamy version. The Lamy version. Superstar for digital note-taking, the Supernote. Okay, pretty standard box. Let's get into it and let's see. Shrink wrapped. Okay, so we're in here. What do we got in the box? Okay, again, this is the Lamy A6X. All right, the Supernote A6X. Okay, the box is super nice. Okay, we have a Superstar, that's what it says, case. Okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, pretty cool case. And we have the Supernote, and we have a pin. The pin is actually really cool. This is a Lamy. Let me feel that nib. I can't wait to feel that. Okay, so we got a pin, and then we have the Supernote itself, which it says, do not, let's just say, hold on, I gotta put my glasses on. Do not tear the protective film on the screen. Okay, we're not gonna tear the protective film on the screen. Let's take this out. It's actually wrapped up pretty good. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Okay, there we go, the Supernote. Kind of like the size. Okay, we got charging, power on. Just to put it in comparison, what else we got in here? We got a cable for charging, USB-C. USB-C, that's kind of cool. That's not a micro USB, I think. Yeah, that's got to be USB-C. Let me see. Yes, that's actually kind of cool. Okay, so that's a bonus. Okay, so then we have that. Let me move this over here. We have this. Let's stay organized. Let's stay organized. Let's take a look at it compared to the Remarkable. Just to get some size differences here, I probably should have took the Remarkable out of the case earlier, which the Remarkable 2 is the same size. So there we go. We got the Remarkable. You can see it's A6, so it is small. And then let's look at a 13.3-inch device. You can really look at the difference there. Wow, so it's like half the size. See that? It's tiny, tiny, which actually could kind of be good for some portability and some notes. So let's fire this bad boy up. See what we got. So this thing, I guess, just sticks in here. Let's see. How does that work? I guess I got to read the instructions. What do we got in here? We got a warranty card, a guide, some stickers. It's in Chinese. It's in Chinese. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's you glide it, slide bar. So let's slide it in there. I can't figure it out. Let's see, slide. Ah, there it goes. Okay, it slid in. Okay, again, this is the A6 Lamy version. Okay, there we go. It's actually a nice little kit. It's kind of nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it up. We're powering it on. I think I'm powering it on. There it goes. It's red. This is the first time that I've had it. What I really want to feel is the writing style of it. So here comes a Supernote USB-C charger. It is firing up. Zoom in a little bit here. Let's give you a little better angle. Okay, there we go. Okay, am I supposed to do anything? There it is. Okay, so we got English. Okay. Wi-Fi network. I'm going to skip that for now. Let's skip it. Let's just go in and do a note. Okay, I don't know where I cut that off because I was getting really frustrated. I had to turn it off, and now at least I'm in the device. So I don't know what the heck was going on with it, but I shut it down, repowered it up, and now I can create a new note. Okay, so now when I'm in a new note, I have the ability to open up the function menu and actually work with it. So it was driving me absolute crazy. So let's talk a little bit about the device. Again, just the note-taking aspect of it. Since this is just an unboxing, I'll get into more of it later. I'm clicking I guess it'd be like the fine liner. And the writing experience is really a little like paper, but it's a little bit more glassy. It doesn't have that friction feel to it. I think that's the issue I have. As far as a menu and working with it the first time, it really seems like it's set up very similar to the Remarkable, right? So here's a menu. Let's see if I can erase that. Yeah, so it works. Very similar to Remarkable. You have all your stuff on the left side. You have your new notes. I haven't got into the folder system. I'm assuming now that I got this working, I can go in here and I can see it didn't create that new folder. So I can go in here and work on the folders and then create a folder, test, and put items in here. So the folder system seems okay. Let me go ahead and do that. Create a new folder. Okay, so I got a new folder. And then when I'm in there, create a new note. Yeah, I don't know why I was like in a tutorial or something earlier that was driving me crazy. So again, you have some menu items here. I can click down. Let's go ahead and click this one and see what that is. That's a pencil. Again, it feels all right. I mean, it's not Remarkable or paper or the Sony devices at all, but it's definitely decent. I do like the form factor. I mean, it's tiny. You know, I might use it to take some notes when I need to take some notes, just on the road, right? Let's see, what else do we got here? So we have our folders on the right. That's what's down here. We got a digest, an inbox. I'm trying to see where the settings are because I'm going to have to figure out how to do my, there we go. There's the settings. There's Wi-Fi. It's not a bad device. A little frustrating to get started. Once you get started, you're pretty good. Let's see what else we got. Let's see. We have layers, I believe, on this, which is kind of cool, which is very similar to Remarkable. I don't know where those are at. Maybe this is it. Prompt. Yeah, so that's the layer, so you can clear the current layer. So they do have layers. I'm not sure how to put them on here yet. We have different colors. Okay, see, so that's a different color. Let me go back to the marker and make it a little thicker so you can see it. I mean, it's not bad, okay? I'm not going to give it a rating or anything right now. I'm going to use it a little bit. I'm glad it's got USB-C. This is the new Supernote A6X. I got a lot more coming to you. Who would this be for? I don't know. Let me use it a little bit. We'll get it in use. Like I said, again, this is the Lamy version. It does feel pretty cool. It's a pretty cool device. I mean, it's all right. I don't think the paper to pen experience is the same. Let's see if that'll fit in there. I guess I got to go the other direction. I mean, this will fit in there. The Lamy will fit in there somehow. You know how I do my reviews. They're just real. So this goes in there. Okay, there we go. It sticks in there. It's tight. Okay, so there you go. Little A6X. I will use it this week. I'll come back with some objectives on it. Like I said, I'll put the microphone on it and we can hear it. That thing sticks in there. You can tell this review, or this isn't a review, this open box has been like challenging for me so far. I got it working though. So, ooh, that's a thick one. Oh, that's a highlighter. It's okay for the feel, but for those of you that really want a writing feel, I think you're going to have to go with the other devices. But I mean, it's not bad. I guess that's where I'm at. Right now, it's okay. So let's go. Have a great day. I've got new devices coming. I got a lot of news. I want to tell you about the paper, some stuff tomorrow. So make sure, if you don't mind, hitting that subscribe button. We've got a lot of content coming. I apologize I took a little time off, but I'll be with you every day. All kinds of content, all kinds of ideas coming. Today, I just wanted to get this unboxed. We got it unboxed. I'll use it a little bit. I'll come back and tell you where I think it fits within the Remarkable 2, all the other devices this week. But the Supernote A6, once I got it going, not too bad. Kind of a cool little form factor. Little Lamy version here. We'll see what it's like. All right, until the next one, go have a great day.